Hi. Today, I thought we can talk about how we can run a hyper-personalized outbound campaign using Click. The use case is marketing team often have incomplete or generic data about prospects that leads to outbound campaign that don't resonate, right? Manual research is always time-consuming, and enrichment tools alone are not going to provide you scaling at personalization. So that becomes a challenge. Now, a Clay solution that I used was Clay can help in automating the process of pulling real-time enrich prospect data from multiple sources like LinkedIn, Apollo, Crunchbase, Clearbit, Google, etc. And we can use AI to generate personalized outreach messages at scale. So we can scale that from there. Now, here's an example of workflow that I used to do this was I created different steps. So the number one was prospect list generation, imported a list of target accounts from HubSpot and Salesforce. You can do it from any other CRMs that you use. Now then use Clay to enrich the firmographic and technographic data, right? For example, the company size, the funding rounds, and the tool that they use, etc. The next step would be individual contact enrichment. So you can find or verify the email addresses, the job titles, LinkedIn activity, and recent company news, right? And then pull social signals like broadcasts that they have been, articles that they have written, etc. The next would be personalizing content creation. So you can use Clay AI to craft custom intro lines. For example, like congrats on your Series B funding. Looks like you are expanding your RevOps team. I noticed that you're hiring for marketing automation, but this might be timely. And the next one would be like automated campaign sync. So you can push, enrich, and personalize lead directly into Outreach, Apollo, or HubSpot for sequences. So whichever tool you're using for sequencing, right? And then you can try to track replies and engagement automatically in these tools. So that would help you or give you a clear picture of how your entire campaign is doing. And then you can see the impact. You can see the time saved. So 80% of less manual work. So the marketing team can utilize that time to build their strategies, to do different other things that we have to do in marketing. So that's a nice use of or utilization of time. And then higher engagement. So personalized emails are always better because they help you connect with people because you can understand the other person is understanding or know what I'm doing and can help me better find a better solution or can help me in some way, right? So that's really helpful. So by doing that, I think I have seen engagement was increased by 2 to 4 times. So which is really great. And then scalability wise, if we talk about, so there are like hundreds and thousands of leads enriched and messaged in like hours, not in weeks. So you have seen the whole week's time for yourself doing different activities that you can do in that time that you've saved from this outbound campaign. So if you look at Clay from marketing operations term, I would say it can help bridge data operations, campaign personalization, outbound execution, all are automated and scalable. That's really nice about it. So thank you.